Welcome back to Product Critique, where we uncover the best products in the market just for you. Today, get ready to hop into the Halloween spirit with the ultimate bunny costume set. We're talking about the Matiniy 4-piece Halloween bunny rabbit costume set. Let's dive into the details, shall we? You'll receive a plush bunny hairband, a fluffy bunny tail, a pair of wristbands, and knee socks. It's the complete package for a jaw-dropping Halloween rabbit costume. Made with high-quality polyester, this set ensures durability and comfort throughout the night. What sets this costume apart is its quality and reliability. The plush bunny hairband and tail are covered with soft cloth and short plush, making them incredibly comfortable to wear. Plus, the elastic wristbands are designed with high-level sweat-absorbing materials, ensuring they stay dry and comfortable all night long. And let's not forget about the socks, made of breathable, durable cotton. They're the perfect finishing touch to your bunny ensemble. Worried about the fit? Don't be. With elastic bands and stretchable materials, these accessories are designed to fit most teens and adults. The bunny ear headband fits snugly on most heads, while the wristbands and socks are designed to accommodate various sizes. So, if you're ready to turn heads and steal the spotlight this Halloween, look no further than the Matiniy 4-piece bunny rabbit costume set. Don't wait. Grab yours today and get ready to hop into the best Halloween yet. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, stay stylish.